Welcome to our natural world. Stay with nature and taste a healthy being happy. Health benefits of basil essential oil. The leaves and seeds of the basil plants are the important medicinal parts of this herb, which is regularly used in cuisine and recipes all over the world. These essential oils of basil extracted via steam distillation from the leaves and flowering tops are used to flavor foods, dental and oral products in fragrances and in traditional rituals and medicines. Within Ayurveda, Tulsi is known as the incomparable one, mother medicine of nature and the queen of herbs, and is revered as an elixir of life that is without equal for both its medicinal and spiritual properties. Within India, Tulsi has been adopted into spiritual rituals and lifestyle practices that provide a vast array of health benefits that are just beginning to be confirmed by modern science. In Western medicine, holy basil is valued as an adaptogen. That's something that helps your body adapt to stress, combat negative effects of stress, stabilize blood sugar levels, promote longevity. Studies show holy basil has a wide range of health promoting properties. It's an adaptogenic, anti-arthritic, anticoagulant, anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, antidiarrheal, antimicrobial, and antioxidant, antitussive. Health benefits of basil oil. Digestion. Digestive issues are something every human being at some point or another will experience from time to time. Basil can offer help for these occasional issues by helping to prevent nausea, expel gas, ease stomach cramps, and help reduce indigestion. For those who suffer from water retention, basil can help increase urination, which may ease that uncomfortable bloating feeling. Oral health. Basil essential oil may seem like an unlikely option for oral health. But in fact, basil is an antiseptic and a common ingredient found in toothpaste. In one study, it showed antibacterial activity comparable to commercial toothpaste against most resistant organisms, and as a mouthwash completely inhibited the growth of organism at a concentration of 0.5%. To boost the antibacterial power of a toothpaste or mouthwash, try adding a few drops of pure basil essential oil. This helps keep your mouth and gums healthy and free from bacterial infection. Relief cold. Basil essential oil is effective in providing relief from colds, influenza, and associated fevers. Due to its potentially antispasmodic nature, it is frequently used to reduce the symptoms of whooping cough. Alleviate asthma symptoms. Along with its function in relieving cough, it can also be used to alleviate the symptoms of asthma, bronchitis, and sinus infections. Skin and hair care. Basil's antifungal, antimicrobial, antiseptic, and anti inflammatory properties make it an ideal option for skin and hair care. It can be added to your favorite lotions, washes, and soaps to enhance the skin and help reduce the appearance of acne. Basil essential oil can also be added to shampoo or conditioner to add luster, shine, and sheen to your hair. Energizing and uplifting. Basil's refreshing scent is bright and energetic. The lively aroma is a welcome uplift that energizes the mind and body, helping you be more productive and positive. Diffusing or inhaling basil can help you stay on task and get things done when you are feeling distracted or mentally fatigued. Alleviate pain. Basil essential oil is possibly an analgesic and provides relief from pain. That is why this essential oil is often used in cases of arthritis, wounds, injuries, burns, bruises, scars, sports injuries, surgical recovery, sprains, and headaches. Prevent vomiting. Basil essential oil can be used to prevent vomiting, particularly when the source of the nausea is motion sickness, but also from many other causes. Blood circulation. Basil essential oil may improve blood circulation and helps increase and optimize various metabolic function of the body. Other benefits. Insect repellent. According to a study by S. Dube et al., basil essential oil inhibited the growth of 22 species of fungi and is also effective against insect Alocophora fovicoli. This oil is also less toxic as compared to commercially available fungicides. Side effect. Holy basil may pose risk in some situation. Pregnancy. Avoid holy basil if you are trying to conceive. Preliminary animal studies show it may cause uterine contractions and impair fertility. Holy basil safety during pregnancy or breastfeeding isn't established. Blood clotting. Holy basil may slow blood clotting. Don't take it for 2 weeks before or after surgery. If this information helps you, please thumbs up, like button and subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos updates.